share me aha aye PTV so ene me ni me create pemo Eastern Reading Kofodia ye bone ba kwa friend no in Sukwao Abranti be nyakopa ma na doma chedie na ode na adwene ne nsa aye numa hodo a se ado adwene entiase so ene ya bana so ya ye ne ba be twinkomo abusa ne kwan a ofa so edidi ne juma opani akwaba
yeja
wi aboko de
adomo na azu ya
ya mi bi aboko wa ife
so sa wa kama
bi obs no
sa oh nice
okay I don't wanna record more Mrs. Ya name Mr. George Kwame Daku ono na ye Daku handicraft e ne dia ne ba be twinkom so Mr. George you can Mr. George Kwame Daku ono ne why
oh Mr. George Kwame Daku you be a trainer me
okay
ye go for the name on Sukwao ade trainer me
okay
yeah and I stand so here craft
okay
work
okay tonight say o ka se meet you here what started with a year barbering
yeah
and sana wunya calling ne wo a year handicraft no
yeah
okay for how long adoma chedie na so wunya sa eliswadi no for how long
okay yiti ni mo na the years works no but na me discover what is in me na me ye works be
okay
yeah na one day man be yiti
okay
abai na me ye light beginning light na me
okay
eti man no ebe yiti no no say Ghana so ye wo
adoma chedie be say
yeah ye wo the friends entrepreneurs were answer okay it your cars and sadwini eto michim yeah ana the five human me and serious
okay yeah international custom na ya ka Mr. Daku Kwame Mr. George Daku friends Kwame ayobi a oyichi and osaye handicraft and no ba be twinkomo dia fa your handicraft no so they start here no o start here no when you support be everybody na say one ka somebody born na also ubo e dey say marry na
the support we me modern more kakra say me yiti na me discount everywhere we see
okay so far how many years in say 15 years and 20 years I started say marry
12 to 15 years in
okay for now when you support them what me approach government what me approach Ministry of Creative Art and as individual sector some more really member
so far them share down cover via but igusu kakaka me menyo biama na aboamia
okay until my memory saw a then it boost to confidence from the day a man be you and all can say this a then it boost to confidence and now yes okay I have to start working on this particular handicraft
you say Ghana and bibia wa bia ye kra
okay
but go be what talent on betimi yisudi aye nema we from ha
okay
sebe ya yen krakra enema bebre sa
okay
oh ti man ka che mi sa na ma sa dwene to mitimi ya se me so ma dwun bia me obia meti dia ye made in Ghana enema
the nan say ohwa ye wa hometie say ye pebi say no ma bia we see ya man free other countries no until no also transfer is okay then na me so meeting me bibi anya dey I am boa me mine no okay and che be ma wona the wa me dia ko inside na ku wa showcase no ma hodo a why so far no I start here no workers do one now so far
so this year no me should then new workers bia because me should then need to bia me use area check for why say me nya to bia enya machines a me area there member for aba besua
okay it wadwuma ya we dey pa na office nya de wadwuma ya be ma so wadwuma no let me do person o sipa no
as a push some machine ya that is a industrial machine okay we kumu na toy oh but beginning ni dey na toy me train you na me kuchuchwa utima market answer na the baba
okay it na say open more machines obetimi ade aboa wadwuma oh yeah okay me ba me hu so face no ma bi obetimi ba to shame ansana odi akoyi say agohwe ami agohwe no ma godo a obody man adofona hwefo ye ne Mr. Daku Kwame Mr. George Kwame Dapo and I didn't educate come up with team. So like I say, let's get refreshing about it's okay Unicent boutique, lawyer printed press and I've been so a year innocent fast food and so I say medical say Mr. Dapo for back to shame here.
I'm flexible for never. Watch me here, Jumafa.
Mate. All right. My Jumas also be here in Tem Kakradia, my Emre na free. So I don't for your name, Mr. Dapo, Kwame, Mr. George, Kwame Dapo. And I am here say Yabana so and on what the first on the education come. We must say now, you hear more mind because I come here say Bibiani a crafty my mind so for other countries now. If you say almost a timid poor mind, equanimity. Membership a government, me sure someone penny will hear me, ministers, MPs, any organization started and as a prepare also hear me. Also beat me up by your general ones. Okay, say really say Kakunya Juna Bokon, sorry. Okay. It's a year Juma, you buy going to be a year Juma, year pass. So, Mr. Dapo, best also the big right inside, and I also do the chest. All right. Okay. Oh, boy, my year, see, I do here a machines. Na obi pese ode ne baba anase obi pese oba habesua ne baba obi tima ba habesua bi se o hwe machine ba pe enowo dodo no be ya atwa se okoso me na wakoye ni business pese o ye ni na so da ko we de ma hu se udu na shonti ye ko inside na ye hwe ye no ma hodo a o Mr. Dapo so de re inside na pa ko hwe no ma kese a o de ma ye mu ni echi Sammy Mr. George e de re inside also ba be che no ma hodo a wa Mr. George check normal who do in Africa na phone we are so feeling say and for board more here
because watches in a bia na my
okay
ana bitimi best land susu right na ye this team pound ko hotel na
okay
ni nyina ye ni nyina bi once no ne stand ni nti we no mention dan we a na abesi we susu
we mu say no mo friend edin be na mo friend
I'm friend best lamb okay light na uko hotel
sisi
and pound
on the side
yeah
all right
bi na me masha say me
okay na me hu say bi nsu gu ase
we ni gusu ameye sisi askase muti ama park ni nyina kwa e de gu edem
na brand be pa na office ko me ba hu edinkra ni other symbols no e wo ha say
edinkra no was edinkra no amafo pe but first na me ya na me fa clock nhim but e chie na me say no artwork she ba no global you know omo pese I don't know enya say ye art keke say na ebo ho at least no eye watch na eye we ya ebi akoba bi artwork ne board them at the same time na say wall clock so what they are
and then kan wa o ye design bi sometimes prefer so the Ghana symbol your logo better so
say we say akoba bi abe say ade we dey Ghana street
Ghana ni na all right adofo say the moti Mr. George Mr. George for your current
we bisu ne gu achia no
right
bisu ame kakra
okay adofo we dey perhwe ni mu ye perhwe ni menya ba de ni aba
we Church of Pentecost
okay
a logo and I'm there
okay did I say Church of Pentecost for mo share Mr. George mo brother Metobi
we chairman we last year ye Father's Day no ye be a presentation chairman friends Apostle Eric Nyamiche
okay na mo ye presentation dey mo response from Pentecost but saying mo be so mebo wa na say certain
sisi and me share that enfan koto asere nim say me pemwa but me guso a me
okay all right so Church of Pentecost amutie ya try say Mr. George say baby I do there it just mo ban 8 na my the number one Mr. the farmer be who's difference other shop no Mary me who say why you be there ma Honorable Alan Kojo Tremantin that is Minister for Trade and Industry Mami Honorable Alan Kojo Tremantin that is Minister for trade and industry. I mean, Musa, on the show say, we say, and I say, one I come up my super in channel.
Yeah, I'm on the share me. Yeah, I'm a dama who I send the friend who should be channel.
Okay, let's say, I can't say, okay, so out of us all MCs here, Mr. Joyce say, why you gifted? It's a nice one. Wow, basically, honor with them. Like say, oh, access to honor one. We honor was to trade now. My emails with me now. With our presentation in them. Honor, we have been so now. We have to make it a chance. This is why welcome to Ghana. So as in as welcome to Ghana. That is Majesty Queen Margaret II. Honor my.
Or cream or Denmark, or Ghana, and I can better be really welcome to and yes,
wow. Just say, me name the Papa, but Lily Perry said the young Ghana say, seriously, so it's me yet, a year gifts and ma, and you will do a toy, and what Denmark can shout. We are sure, say,
the person come to call members.
Okay,
on me, my young family, but I was saying, on me to be their man.
But I hope say, but I have 4 airplanes here, you know, we are sure some more access to a year crazy with me in a suit. So, yeah, man, say so. I'm also was I this will be a man a year when you mess up so much.
Person come to finance minister.
Honorable King of Riata. Okay. Also a gifted. Wow, wow. I don't know that before, but I won't be up here. For more say, Minister here and that's one place. What is what? In association, Mr. George said, why did you say? Percent for the channel. Say the YB Diama a year Alan, honorable Alan. Okay, you can see her. Alright, okay. Sorry. Alright. Okay. The next one, so a year honorable Akusia Prima Ose Opare, that is teacher of staff. Chief of staff. Also gifted, right?
I need to buy the questions.
Okay. And what you pass and who the pass so quickly, no fun, no. BBC, welcome to BBC World News. Hey, now I don't know when they are.
A mom.
Okay.
Wow. Representations here. I'm a rep for the okay. The Bayer
shall become and then I'll catch a presentation for someone else here.
We have BBC for reporters in Libya, but the Bayer presentation, I'm normally on BBC.
Okay. Alright, so BBC format here. You must see a Mr. George. Say why you saw the Baba Mr. George. You can never sell on our I think for any Mr. George. Kwame Dapo in dream from Noria, why you know man different, or more you be a coachom, and the old Tony doing me now. Mr. George, yeah, many I have, my own say, why, yeah, 1 to 1 to years, you have swap club, and
when you see a Dinkra lamp,
okay,
a Dinkra and the lamp was in it,
okay,
when says you bet in the sea, and pound,
okay. Before I said a memoir son, in the next 3 years, no, you Mr. George. Dapo, Mr. George Kwame Dapo, in the next 3 years, you say,
oh, the Peseka, a band womanaka, when we see any more,
okay,
now made in Ghana, young fire winshim,
okay,
now. They bet me, Iowa Hannah, a binding one, yes, you bet me, I am a minor at tomb.
So, be bass up a sort nearby, she said, my dear, or Apunya down.
Oh, and then the same chair boys, no, but you see, I mean, here, choose a bit.
Okay, but the sort we now come once a okay, at the phone, a tear food now, and Tini. Oh, they say,
no progo now, what's so?
Oh, wow, out of 4. And then Kiamahanka, on that. Be Jack Kunya, so their major say, I say hotel and as if we suit them and now office, baby, be a person with the Mr. George, who have every year. When I
when I'm friend Akufuna, nothing, and I will see I'm friend Biafran,
obi a text me sisi say onoma ya waye no ne body to say so person o baby ata ahin o go make me
le body our fam to buy bet ya bobo no see the TV I bet so am when you be atom.
Okay finally no and then our free government or then our free ministry of create and then our free Ghana for years of in then our free unchai
peseka omo share me dia na mai peseka omo boa me no omo first car can machine na yentimi produce made in Ghana.
Okay
no be brave.
Okay and the age made in base or final massive na face or contact number be na any social media na you are waiting that to Ghana right now.
Okay better masipa say mo so watimi abaha emi de pa enti upebia o Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, George Kwame Dapo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
we search here
original number so
024 81 33 846.
Okay. So it should be you.
024 81 33 846.
Is that one? You better ask. At the phone for your name Mr. George Kwame Dapo. I know Dapo handicraft. Any electric and common said is kind no why you know much different this the time I just say Ghana my channel never heard because ya come here say nkofo anyame adoma much dey no so muni gwafo bia no masemo ya bibia nti ne PTV ni crew etu no wasi ya bana so ya ya behwe no ma hodo a woye wa hase na ha ene di juma di na business na no ma menka say less that fresh you got is okay Unisex boutique low imprinted breast na face so Innocent fast food and why me di juma di ke say na me fast that ke say ma me producer Mr. Ebenezer Corey and me ga say executive producer Mr. Jojo Davis the cameramen na no me 3 that is Baku Baku brother Michael and I so brother Felix and I so brother Enoch and editor so Mr. Paju. Kai say me so and immediate Morichame in Papa Goso, we can call me P show, no jago. As an come up here on Yamre, na or Jimre, na Oshe media, and we could show you. Bye bye.